In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and properly set up OBS Studio for smooth screen recording. First, open up any web browser. Then go to Google and search for OBS. You want to open the official website, obsproject.com. Make sure it's the official site, so you download the real version safely. Once you're on the website, choose your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click Windows. Now wait for OBS to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If a Windows security message appears, click Yes. Now press Next. Accept the agreement. Choose where you want OBS installed and continue the installation. Once OBS opens for the first time, your screen may look slightly different from mine, and that's completely normal. But before you start recording, there are a few important settings you should change first. Come over to the right side and click Settings. Then on the left, click Output. These settings make a huge difference in your recording quality. Set the output mode to Simple. Under Recording, choose where you want your videos saved. Set recording quality to High Quality, Medium file size. And set the format to MP4. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, choose the Nvidia encoder. Otherwise, use X264. Then click Apply. Next, go to Audio. For desktop audio, I usually leave it on default. Then select the microphone you want OBS to use. Once that's done, click Apply again. Now click on Video. For the base canvas resolution and output resolution, set them as high as your computer can handle. And for smooth recordings, set the FPS to 60. This one setting alone makes your videos look much smoother. Now click Apply and then press OK. Now it's time to actually capture your screen. Under Sources, click the plus icon. Choose Display Capture. This records your entire screen. You can also use Game Capture or Window Capture, but Display Capture is the easiest for beginners. Press OK, choose your monitor, and press OK again. And that's it. To start recording, just press Start Recording. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.